In the grand city of Babylon lived a wise man named Daniel.
Peace be with you.
Though he served King Darius with loyalty and wisdom, Daniel loved and prayed to God above all. But some officials were jealous of Daniel's wisdom and favor with the king.
We must act quickly.
They plotted a plan to trap him, not by strength, but by law.
O king, make a law. For 30 days no one may pray to any god or man but you.
The officials went to King Darius with flattery.
I will consider your...
The king, unaware of their trap, signed the decree. Even when Daniel knew the law, he did not hide. He went to his window, knelt as always, and prayed to God. The jealous men ran to the king. Daniel was caught praying. And though the king loved him, the law could not be changed. With a heavy heart, King Darius ordered Daniel to be thrown into the lion's den. All night the king could not sleep. At dawn, he ran to the den and cried out,
Hello? Daniel, has your God saved you?
And from within came Daniel's voice.
O king, my God has shut the lions' mouths.
Faith makes us fearless, even in the darkest den. When we trust God fully, no lion, no law, and no fear can harm us.